Ever wondered how banana peel and cornstarch can make you feel like a 16-year-old girl? It may sound like the setup for a whimsical fairy tale, but it's grounded in science. So, buckle up as we delve into this fascinating phenomenon. Banana peels, often discarded without a second thought, are a treasure trove of nutrients. They are rich in antioxidants like lutein, which protect your skin from the harmful effects of oxidative stress. They are also packed with vitamin C and B6, which promote youthful skin by boosting collagen production. This increased collagen production helps to maintain skin elasticity, keeping wrinkles at bay and giving your skin a youthful glow. The humble cornstarch, on the other hand, is a natural beauty secret that's been passed down through generations. It has the ability to absorb oil, making it an excellent natural remedy for oily skin and acne. Cornstarch is also a gentle exfoliator, removing dead skin cells and revealing the fresh, youthful skin underneath. When combined, these two simple ingredients can have a profound effect on your skin. The banana peel provides a nutrient boost, while the cornstarch works to remove impurities and excess oil. This powerful combination can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking fresh and youthful. To summarize, banana peels and cornstarch are more than just kitchen scraps. They are potent beauty ingredients that can help you feel younger. Incorporating them into your skincare routine can help to reduce the signs of aging, giving you a youthful glow reminiscent of your teenage years. So, the next time you're peeling a banana or cooking with cornstarch, remember the secret to youthful skin could be right there in your hands. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the science of natural skincare. Remember, beauty is more than skin deep, and feeling like a 16-year-old girl isn't just about looking young, it's about embracing the joy, wonder, and vitality of youth. So, go ahead. Give banana peel and cornstarch a try, and let the magic of nature make you feel young again.